Hey, good morning. You couldn't hear me because the microphone was turned off. Yeah, the microphone was turned off. Now, I'm here. I was fixing the microphone, but welcome everybody. Yeah, we're starting out. Good to see you, Holy Grail. What's happening? So I broke my promise and I closed out the trade earlier, which I had. The trade which I had, now let me see. I closed it not too long ago. So here, this was the trade I was sitting. You guys don't see it, right? Hold on. Let me show you. All right. So here I was sitting in the trade from that area over there, and I closed it not too long ago right there. So it was a good one. Not complaining. It went down to drawdown. I wasn't at my computer and now I closed it. Obviously we're gonna have some news, so I wanted to get out, but fortunately the account is looking good, so that's a good thing. That's all that matters. And this was the trade, so I just closed it. Now this was going for like 4 hours. This trade. Anyway, let me delete these entries from London session. Not much happened. We narrowed down because of the news, I guess. The 1 hour is, look at that, technically barcoded out. There are some lows at 741, lower. Anyway, have to wait for the news. The gold trade went up. I entered here somewhere, and this was a paper trading, but it went up beautifully to this level. Obviously, we're gonna have to wait for news of what's going to happen with gold. But that's a different thing. On the other hand, look at the candles on the 5 minute. It's just wicks all around, up and down, up and down. So not sure. Not sure what is gonna happen here. Hoping that maybe, I mean, if we want to look at it closely, look at this. There is a fair value gap down here on the 5 minute. So obviously there's a possibility to take along from this area all the way up there, as we anticipated that we should be having an up close candle above the 18,098 level, 1898 ish and higher, but have to wait for the news. I cannot enter before the news. Not that I can, technically I could, but I don't want to. So I'm gonna wait it out. We also have the bond auction and the PM session. I don't think I'm gonna trade that. So everybody's waiting for unemployment claims. And what else do we have? On Friday, we have nothing. All right. The only thing we have is unemployment claims right now. And the market open. All right. Let's go. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what is going to happen. Less than 8 minutes until the news. Less than 8 minutes. Ah, great. That's the best thing, the waiting game. Look at that. If we would have been sitting all the way from this like 6 a.m. ish, we would be just technically would be sitting in a box. The good old box. Otherwise nothing. Down to the 5-minute fair value gap. I don't see anything. I'm gonna put a line here to 7. AM. It's gonna be fine. Okay, so that's the start of the New York kill zone. 7 a.m. It's slowly going down. And we still have almost 7 minutes. Well, technically 6. Ba-dum-bum-bum. All right. Still going down. That's why I didn't enter a trade. It was super risky to take it under these conditions. Super, super risky. To take it just like that. I think. So okay. All right. Waiting less than 5 minutes. Checked every single chart I can. Okay, gold took out this. I mean, we wicked into this resistance area on gold futures. Otherwise, well, nothing special. We do have another area here. Which is, technically speaking, is a support down there. Oops. Let's change this to something like this. No, something different. Okay, it's better. So we have another level. And this is it. We'll go up or down just for fun. Well, just for fun. For the news or overall? For the news, let me see. We're expecting less unemployment claims. So if the number is going to be less than previously, so less than 249K, even if it's going to be higher than 241, I'd say for the news, we're going to go higher. I think it's going to spike higher, but it could be wicking down. So it wicks down like 50 points, boom, and then goes higher. Overall, I think we should be. And on the other hand, for the day, I'm still bullish. So I'm bullish. That's just for fun, you know. Just for fun. I think the market wants to correct. News could be also positive. Even if the news would be negative, but not too much, just slightly negative. Even if it's just slightly negative, I think the market is going to take that as a good news, and it wants to correct higher. So I'm gonna stay bullish. I'm gonna be staying bullish. Let's see how it goes. Less than 2 minutes. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Careful with the YOLOs. You know how it goes. Let's see. Yeah. I mean, 81. It could go up. It could go up. It could. Let's see. What else do we have? We have this. Do I have anything else here? NQ, no. 30 seconds. I feel like we could be going higher. But, you know. Let's see. 10 seconds. And now. Whoa, I just passed an account with Bulenox. There you go. Oh, look at that. I just passed an evaluation account with Bulenox. I'm gonna show you. Here it is. There is it. This was a good one. Should have taken a trade on Apex instead. I have too many Bulenox accounts already. Wow, what is happening? Oh my god. Okay, so the news must be good, I think. Just on an evaluation account, I took this trade here. So I can show you if you want to see. Where is it? NQ. Not this one. Not this one. Okay, this was the one. So I took the trade. Trades. Large. There you go. Large. There. This is what I took. This is the trade I took. With 5 minis. 5 mini. This was the trade. 5 mini. It was nice. And that's it. Took me out. With 5 mini. Wasn't that bad. I mean, it was risky. But this is how you pass in one trade. Obviously. This account is not passed, of course. I still have to push the button for 4 more days. But I have like 4 accounts lined up with Bulenox already. So, all right. It's cheap, you know. It's cheap. All right, all right. I did the same for a sim. All right. Well, you know, it was fun. It was fun. But now we spiked higher. Hey, online safety. What's happening? Good to see you. What is happening? What is happening? How was your day so far? Our trade from earlier actually hit the take profit. Okay, so we took out buy side liquidity here at 147. Gold didn't really do much, I must say. I thought it's gonna do more, but it didn't really. So a very, very good day. Farhad, hey, how you doing? All right, I'm happy for you guys. I'm happy. If you're happy, I'm happy. That's how it goes. Okay. It went up. I wonder how far it's going to go. So if I put a FIB tool, and actually let me delete some levels here which are irrelevant now. If I put a FIB tool right here, then we are right at the 50% level. That is interesting though. Right at the golden level. I mean, it's not super accurate, but it should be here. And that's the golden level right there. Let's go down here. Is it going to turn around and go lower now? That's the question. Is this the money? I don't even know the numbers. Let's see the number. Oh, it was here. Okay, so it's good news. It's absolutely good news. Better than expected. Less unemployment claims. Absolutely good. That's positive. Now, usually if something's this good, it goes the other way, right? Good morning, Tech T. I passed to MyFundedFutures eval video. Oh, Farhad, let me give you an applause. Congratulations. Already have 5 MyFundedFutures accounts, 3 in-game and 2 dormant accounts. Farhad, that's an awesome job. Congratulations. That's the way to do it. Very good job. Congrats. You know, it's always good, and that's what I say as well. If you can still, you know, continue to trade on some evaluations when there's nothing else to do, because worst case scenario, I mean, worst case scenario, you lose the account, but if everything goes like as expected, you should be piling up those dormant accounts, and you know, it will be there. So you're always one step ahead. Akram, hey. Doing well, doing well. Doing well. Just passed quickly an account. So, obviously, I think we're gonna have to wait for market open to see where to go from here. Gonna be fun. I'm telling you, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Yo, Tom, I like your vibe when you trade. Thank you. Well, you know, we're just chilling here. Why should we? I mean, I know I go full stressful many times, but you know, we should not let the market stress us out, right? Oh, let me delete the FIB tool. We're approaching the 61.8 at 24.70. I'm gonna put a line here at 245. Top right. Okay, that's fine. And it's fine. Alright, we don't need anything else. We're between the 50% and the 61.8. Yeah, he's very calm trader. Not always. I think it was sarcasm there. I am definitely whining like a bitch many times. But anyway, we created, by the way, a bullish order block here on the 5-minute, also on the 15-minute too. 1993. The 1 hour is nothing, so we do have exactly Tech-T. So we do have some targets to the downside, and now we just have to pass the time somehow, you know. Hold on, just gonna make a quick phone. I have to call. Gotta make the quick phone call. Tom, do you recommend fast track trading? Did you have any payout? No payout from them yet. Recommend them? I do recommend them because I mean, how should I say? Recommend. It's a little bit strong. I would say it's a very good opportunity. I don't have a payout from them, but we have many people, more and more people, CryptoPen, the Methodical Man, some other people from Discord and the chat. They have payouts from fast track trading. Myself, I applied for account as well. I'm very much behind schedule. I have to trade my Take Profit Trader account as well. I have to trade with fast track trading. I'm behind schedule, but yes, they're making payouts. I think there is a demand for instant funded accounts. That's what I think. The business model should be okay, but we don't know the numbers. Is it sustainable in the long term? I think it is, because I don't want to say anything bad, but obviously, you know, the number of failed accounts is always going to be higher than those accounts who get payout. Even if, I mean, even the number of payouts I mean, the amount of payouts is usually lower. So I think it's a sustainable business model, but it's a fairly new company. The price of the accounts is going to go up. That's what they said, as soon as the credit card payments are active. So if you want to grab an instant funded account with cheaper price, they said it's better to go with the wire transfer now, because it's going to get more expensive because of the credit card thing. But yeah, do I recommend? I think it's a good opportunity. Spread your risk between these prop firms. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. And that's it. That's the way to go, I guess. That's the way to go. Gotta make it. You're welcome, Farhad. I just need to make a quick phone call. Just a second. All right, let me close the window. I'm just talking to my girlfriend. She's talking behind the door. She don't want herself to be seen on the camera. All right. So still gotta make that quick phone call. Just give me a minute. All right, I'm here, guys. I was just talking on the phone, but I'm here. So just waiting. Just still waiting. Just still waiting. All right. So let me know what you guys are thinking. What's the plan? Seems like we might be having a 1 minute fair value gap. No, it's not a clean structure shift. Never mind. Not a clean structure shift. We're still bullish for now. It looks like it. Anyways. And it's still going higher. It's just going higher and higher. Okay, 167, 245 could be going. Let's look at the bigger picture here. I want to see where this is heading. We obviously broke out from this congestion area. Swept liquidity now. We have some levels up there. This has been repriced, this liquidity void. Obviously, we still have another one up there, another level at 19,882. I'm just curious if it wants to take one more dump here. Or this is it. Or this is it. If this would be a 1 minute, if this would be a 1 minute chart, imagine that this is a 1 minute chart. What would you think? Sometimes I'd ask the question for myself. What would you think if you would know that this is a 1 minute chart? And this is a 1 hour, so just saying. If this is a 1 minute chart, I would think that now that it repriced this area, it could go down again, drop a little bit more. Maybe take out this level at 746. So, interesting. Anyway, but I do like to see the daily candle close above 98. That would be good. So, push the like button, by the way, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're gonna do giveaways tomorrow as well. From our sponsor, Reza. Donated more than $100 to the stream. So, we're gonna give it away. All right. Hey Marco. Oh, thank you. This was just a gamble, you know. Yeah, you gambler, you. This was a gamble. That was the only account I gambled today and in the past few days. It's just a Bulenox account. I already have like 4 accounts in dormant, or 5 with Bulenox, so I'm obviously I'm okay. I should have taken this with Apex or something else. I don't know. But hey, it's fine. Maybe I should have done it with MyFundedFutures. Still very good, yeah. I have, let me see. Currently, I have only 3 funded accounts with Bulenox because none of them is above the safety threshold. But I have 3, 1, 3, 4. I mean 1, 2, 3, and 4 others that are in dormant. So trying to max it out, you know. Trying to max it, but should be focusing on other accounts. By the way, also Methodical Man said it, and he's absolutely right, and others too. But I mean, especially if you're going for your first payouts like I am, and you're not killing the market like some other super guru pros, and you're just, you know, basically, I'm not saying starting out, but aiming for the first payouts, you know, starting to build up. You don't need to go with 10 or 20 accounts in the first place. You're perfectly fine with 2 or 3 funded accounts and work on those. You know, working on 2 or 3 funded accounts at a time, and you don't even need to copy trade them. You are perfectly fine with 2 or 3. Why? The answer is very simple. If you make, I mean, you guys know I'm a turtle trader on funded accounts. If I make $200 or $300 on a funded account in a day, I move on to the next one. And if I can still take some trades on another funded account on the same day and I make some profits, I just move to the next one. So I rotate them every time. I'm not even copy trading them. I'm not copy trading them because I can't deal with the pressure. And so I just rotate them. If I go down, for example, $200 or $300, usually I would say $500 or $600 would be my absolute mental stop for a funded account for the day. But if I go down like $200 or $300, I might just jump to another funded account as well if I want to continue trading. It's not a good idea to continue trading on an untouched funded account if you are in a losing streak. It would be better to switch to an evaluation account if you really can't help yourself to trade. But I always, you know, rotate them. So what I'm trying to say is you're perfectly good by focusing on 2 or 3 funded accounts. If you get one funded account to pay out, no matter which prop firm, then don't touch the account. That's what I do. That's what I did with Bulenox. That's what I do with Apex now, and I'm just trading on different accounts. And if you are able to rotate them successfully, you should be having multiple payouts even in a month, or at least 1 or 2 payouts per month. And it's not bad for a start, I think. Even if you're just taking out $1,000, and $1,000 is a great deal of money, guys. It's a great deal. It's not nothing. In my country, it's definitely not. So if I can take out $2,000 or $3,000 in a month from 2 or 3 funded accounts, I'd say that's a huge stepping stone. That's a huge goal for me. Great achievement. And I know others are making a lot. Like Zero. Yeah. Jay does that too. Exactly. Tom, I wanted to buy a Bulenox account, but there is a problem with the transaction. Any advice? I don't know. Did you try PayPal or credit card? I know I purchased with an account with Bulenox, and it was okay. Let me check again. Maybe there's some issue with your credit card, or maybe there's different name on the card. It could be coming from your bank. So for example, yeah, everything is working. So I don't know. Yeah, no problems with Bulenox, by the way. No problems. I like Bulenox. It's no questions asked. The only thing is, I mean, the payout, you know, cards payments. Yeah, you have to choose secure card payments. I think maybe there's 2 or 3 different options to pay with card with a different online provider, Akram. So try those as well. Or worst case scenario, if you have a PayPal account, you can pay with PayPal, and you can pay with PayPal. Oh, sorry, pay with your credit or debit card through your PayPal account at Bulenox. Okay, so you can do that too. I did that. I also paid with direct debit card. So I don't know. Okay, almost 30 minutes until the market open. All right. Now look at gold. Gold retracing a little bit. There is some support here. Anything can happen. This level could be holding it right here. This is a classic support and resistance trade that I'm doing on the 30-minute chart on gold. You don't have to do anything about it. I'm just basically paper trading it. Param, param, pam, pam. Param, 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 param. Trade safe. Oh, you guys were talking. All right. Yeah. Yeah, you gotta be careful, guys. All right, the 5-minute is pretty much not doing anything special. Has been finally. Oh, thank you, Akram, sorry. Thank you so much for the support. I'm really grateful. Thank you, Akram. Good luck with the account. I wish you all the best, and you have my blessings, and good luck with it. You know, just just be cool. And yeah, just, trade safe. You know, if you have to, just size down. Not a big deal. You know. Do you know if Fast Track Trader is available? No, Trader Wait. They said, no, not confirmed yet, but they said they're gonna have it from September next month. Oh yeah, Trade with Micros, Akram, Trade with Micros. So yeah, they said it's gonna come in September. For now, it's only Rhythmic, but on Rhythmic you can trade with Quant Tower, with your Rhythmic credentials, for example. But and so far that's it. And they're working on those, and the NinjaTrader license as well. Quite a few things have to be put in line, I think. Credit card payments are coming. Trader Wait is coming. Hopefully NinjaTrader license is going to be fine as well. But, you know, they're fairly new. They are fairly new. All right, let's see what is going on. Marco Brasse, good afternoon. How you doing? Good to see you again. Hope you had some good trades. We're getting ready for the market open, just as everyone, I guess. So let's make it count. I'm gonna switch back to this account. We were trading this morning. Excuse me. All right. I hope it will go down to 65 to let us in for a nice trade. Yeah, that would be a good level. That would be a good level for a continuation. I like that. Let's see. Yeah, 65. Yeah, that is a good area. I like that. That's a good place. You know, reprice and then continue higher. Continue higher. Do we have some levels to the left, right? Well, we do. I'm sorry about Streamlabs. It's spamming again. Guys, I'm gonna do something right now. I'm just gonna do something. I don't know why it spams so much. I did change the settings for the third time now. All right. Let's go to timers. 4, 5, 6, 14. It's spamming like crazy. I'm gonna have to go over the settings again. Instant funded accounts. Let me put this to okay, I'm gonna double the interval. So I just doubled it. Okay, I doubled it. Hopefully it will not do so many spamming. All right, it's still just at one place. Look at this, it's just going sideways. I have to wait for the open. Okay. What was the course that was really helpful? Well, I applied for a mentorship in 2022 for trading LP, but I told you guys that guy, he was a really nice guy. He unfortunately passed away last year. He was very young, had a heart attack, 35 years old. It was shocking. And that was the course. I took his course. The website is down already. That really helped me. He introduced me to order blocks and smart money concepts, and he was trading order blocks on the 1 hour chart, and he was killing it. His videos are still up there on YouTube. His private mentorship, I mean, I really loved it. It was awesome. I mean, it was a Discord membership, but I loved it. It was really good. Most likely order blocks and supply and demand trades, but it was great. Otherwise, everything I learned, I mean, the majority what I learned is from ICT videos. So yeah. Good afternoon, Reza. Everything's fine. Our sponsor is in the house. Reza Banks, thank you so much again for the donation earlier. Sponsored the stream with like at least $120 or $30 or more. I don't know, at least. I think more. 150 maybe. So we had a $50 giveaway in the morning. We're gonna do one more tomorrow. Yeah, everything's great. How are you, Reza? I hope you had some good trades so far. And this guy, everybody, this guy had 10,006 or 700, I don't know, dollar payout from MyFundedFutures. So just now. So congratulations again. We're waiting for the market open, obviously. Not much else to do. So just waiting. Yeah, he made more than 10K payouts from MyFundedFutures. Reza Banks from 350K accounts. So what? One more in the New York session. All right, guys. Oh my God, guys. All right. Do you guys know how much is that? Thank you for the donation. $180 how do they call it, dirham? How much is that? Oh my god, another $50. Jesus, another $50. All right, guys, so there's no way around it. We're gonna do one more giveaway for the stream. For the stream. All right, I'm gonna start it out for the stream. Let's see. Oh, let's go. I'm gonna set it up. We're doing one more giveaways. Actually, everything is set up. Here's the alert. That's right. There was Reza. That was his, his face from the side profile. That's what he does on his boat. All right. The chances to win are super high, guys. So there you go. The giveaway just started. Exclamation mark cash. $50 cash giveaway. If you want to enter, super huge chance to win, because we have only 30 viewers right now, and this comes from Reza Banks again, so he's the sponsor. Thank you again. So let's all thank to Reza. He's sponsoring the giveaway again. Very nice, very nice. So it's gonna be super easy. The win ratio, I mean, it's much higher. We only have 5 participants currently. Look at that. Only 5. Your chances to win $50 is 1 to 6 now. All from the courtesy of Reza. Donkev, hey, welcome. Rob Moore, say welcome. So $50 giveaway. Don't miss it out. Exclamation mark cash from our sponsor Reza Banks. And I can do PayPal. I would be super happy if you guys would have PayPal. If don't, I can do a wire transfer, and I can do debit card transfer. If you have some other cash app, maybe I can ask for a favor from Methodical Man to send it to you, and I can send it to him on PayPal, covering the fees and everything. So anyway, enter the giveaway. We're going to pick the winner. We are going to pick the winner at the market open before 1 minute. All right. 1 minute before the market opens, so we still have like 13 minutes. All right, 13 minutes. Exclamation mark cash. Super easy win. Your chances to win is 1 to 8. Super easy. Look at this. Only have 8 people in the giveaway. Those chances are real good. Pay the Trader is here. Welcome. All right. Enter the giveaway. Enter the giveaway. Enter exclamation mark cash. Sir Doss, hey. Nice. Just go for it. Go for it. And until we're waiting for the market open, it seems like we're heading to the 61.8 level. U4X. Hey, Forex. I like that. All right. Let's see. Look at that. Only 12 people in the giveaway. Super high chance to win. Just saying. Super high chance to win the giveaway. Don't tell me it's not possible, because it is. I have only one thing in my life, and that was only one thing in my life, and that was when I was 16. A Walkman radio 40 years ago. Hey, listen, I usually don't win too many things in my life. So I don't even remember when I was winning. I mean, I won. No. Okay, so there is one thing I won. I won a 150k expert account from MyFundedFutures. Believe it or not, I won it because they were holding a stream, and I just had to type my name in the chat. And I won a 150k expert account, which I blew in 2 days. Giveaway is rigged, says Pay the Trader. Xane, welcome. Thank you for joining the giveaway. Exclamation mark cash. Chances are real high to get it. 13 people only. But everyone, thank this to our sponsor, Reza Banks, who who donated $50 to the stream. For the stream. That is awesome. Lucas, hey. Let's go. We still have time. We're gonna pick the winner in 10 minutes. All I would require is for the winner is to send me an email with the screenshot where I can see your account name or whatever, you know, from YouTube or from the chat. And it would be great if I could send it to you on a PayPal address. If you don't have it, then I can do international bank wire or debit card transfer. Or if you have like Venmo or Zelle or anything else, then I cannot do it, but maybe I can ask for a favor from Methodical Man. Maybe he can help me out. I'm gonna cover the transfer fees, and I'm gonna send it over to him, and he's gonna send it to you. We had unemployment claims, and we had good news. So they were expecting less unemployment claims, and we had way more less. 233k instead of 241. So it's and the last one revised from 249 to 250. So it's actually good news. Less unemployment claims, which is good. So everybody, don't forget, giveaway exclamation mark cash. We have 14 people. We're gonna pick the winner in less than 9 minutes, all right? Less than 9 minutes. From our sponsor, Reza Banks, sponsoring the giveaways today and tomorrow. So thank you again. All right, just waiting for the open. Giveaway. Again, if you're just jumping in, type exclamation mark cash. Don't miss the giveaway. Trader Monk, I hope you pushed exclamation mark cash. Good to see you. Or did I say hello? Suddenly I see so many people. All right. Ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 ba-dum, ba-dum. All right, all right, all right. Waiting and all right, let's wait. Just waiting, just waiting. Still like a little bit more than 5 minutes. A little bit more than 5 minutes. How much time do we have? All right, about 4 minutes and 30 seconds. We're gonna pick the winner, so stay tuned. We have only 14 participants. It's gonna be it's a very high win rate, guys. Very high win rate. Long or short? I don't know, man. If I look at the higher time frame, it feels like it might want to do a V-shaped recovery and just go higher. And we still have a fair value gap up here on the 1 hour chart. It might want to break into that area at 298. I'm not going to push the button at the open, that's for sure. One last chance. Come on, pay the trader. Down on all your PAs. And just, you know, Don Totten, welcome, welcome. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. So, I would say pay the trader. Maybe don't trade on all of them at the open if you want to do some crazy trade at the open. I'm not going to. I'm gonna wait like 5 to 10 minutes minimum, but most likely 15 or 20 to see what's happening. So yeah. By the way, guys, help out the stream and push the like button, and it really helps out the channel. Gives some good exposure to the stream. Thank you, guys. And make sure to subscribe if you would like to stay tuned for upcoming news and everything, you know. You can join the winners club. You know, we have a winners club. Okay, what's the time? All right, somewhere about 2 more minutes. And we have 16 participants for the giveaway. Okay. It doesn't matter anymore. This doesn't matter anymore. We're at the 61.8. That's the 50% level. Let's see. Let's see. 16 people still The chances to win is absolutely, the odds are very, very good. All right, less than 2 minutes, and we're gonna pick the winner. All right. All I would like from the winner is, I'm gonna type in the email address. Excuse me, my email in the chat, and please send me a screenshot of your YouTube or this YouTube where I can see your name. Or if you click on your profile and you scroll it down, I can see your name. I know it could be hacked, so I know, but I trust you guys anyway. But I did have received 2 separate emails. It was quite a few weeks ago, but gotta make sure. And I can send the cash through PayPal. That would be the easiest. Or bank wire transfer, international bank wire, or debit card transfer. I don't want to do crypto because it's super expensive. It's not worth it, and at least not for this amount. And or if you have something else like Venmo or Zella or whatever, maybe I'm gonna ask a favor from Methodical Man. Maybe he can help me out. If I cover his fees and everything. I won. You won. Well, I mean, did you? We didn't pick the winner yet. We have 17 participants. All right. I think I am going to close the poll in a few seconds. All right, I'm gonna count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close entries. All right. We have 17 people in here, and let's pick the winner. And the winner is going to be no other than good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The winner is Don Tutton is the winner. Congratulations, Don Tutton. You are the winner of the $50 cash giveaway sponsored by Reza Banks. Congratulations on winning the giveaway, Don Tutton. I know you're here. Awesome. Congrats, Don. Congrats. Here is my email. Just send me, if you have a PayPal, just send me your, if you don't, we'll figure it out. If you have Zella or Venmo, maybe we can figure it out as well. Just send me your PayPal, or you can do international bank wire or debit card. But if you have Zella or Venmo, let me know as well. Maybe we can do it. First time I ever won. Dude, one more applause to Don Tutton. Congratulations. Yeah, sometimes it's rigged. Yes, if you have Cash App. Don, what do you have? Do you have PayPal? Or if you have PayPal, that would be the best. By the way, market is open. So if you have PayPal, that would be the greatest. But if you don't, maybe I can ask Methodical Man to help me out, or international bank wire could take up to 2 or 3 business days from my end. I'm not sure. Where do you live? Do you have some like PayPal, Venmo, Zella, or yeah, big thanks to Reza. Yeah, he was the sponsor of this giveaway. You're in Texas. All right. So if you have a Cash App like PayPal, Zella, Venmo, it's instant. But if not, then if none of those, then maybe we can do bank wire transfer. Maybe. I mean, not maybe, 100%. Worst case scenario, of course, obviously. So for bank wire, I might going to need some details. So I need the full name of the account holder. I need the city. I need the street address. So I need your correct address. I need the zip code for the bank wire. I can send it in bank wire, no problem, but it's gonna take about 2 business days to get there. It's no problem. That's why I said Cash App. If you have something. All right, market is open. Or if you have a friend with PayPal or whatever, just an idea. Yeah, Reza is the sponsor, so hand to hand is better, Tom. Yeah, exactly. Seems we are in Asia session. There is no volume. Well, it pretty much seems like NASDAQ is unplugged for now. It looks like it. It looks like it. I have a PayPal account and I also Cash App. Okay, great. Don, PayPal would be the best for me if it's not a problem to you, if it's okay. If you can send me your PayPal address to my email, that would be perfect, Don. That would be absolutely perfect. But if you prefer other Cash App, you can let me know as well and we will make it work. All right? Congratulations. All right, Don. Congrats again. Actually, you can use PayPal to pay with Bulenox. So you can buy at least 2 Bulenox accounts, maybe 3, if you add a few more dollars. So, bro, I was down 1300. I took the opposite trade of my strategy, and you're now up 200. That's awesome, man. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. That's how you should do it, man. Congrats for the profits there. All right. You know, at least try to forget the past. Focus on that you're up. Don't forget the code tomsabo. Yeah. I had only 800 drawdown left. Ooh, oh my god. Okay. Well, this would be the time, pay the trader, to sit back a little bit, relax, you know, and try to reevaluate what you should do differently next time, you know. You got a second chance to make it. So all right. It doesn't seem like it really wants to move, to be honest. It's like it's pretty much just at the same area, at the same place. I don't know. Doesn't really moving. Everything seemed to be pretty quiet. Pretty much quiet here, as far as I can tell. Not much is happening. I won't trail till Monday. Yeah, just trade one account. If you really want to push the button, if there's nothing you can do to stop the urge, there's 2 things you can do. Trade on evaluation account. Tomorrow is Friday. I would prefer to work on some evaluation accounts maybe. If not, then don't copy trade. You know, just trade on one account. Trust me, you will have a much better focus and feeling over the weekend. Good morning, Congo. Basikana ne Congo. That's how I say it. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Hope you guys are printing money. Hope you guys are doing it. Look at this. It might gonna go down. Now there's an idea. Just my 2 cents. It's not necessarily going to work out, but look at this line here down there. This is actually an order block. Boom. Like, let me show you. Bullish order block 5/15 minute down there. Right there. What if all this doesn't really matter anymore and it just wants to go down to the order block? How about that? Just saying. You know how it is, guys. Anything can happen. Okay, I think I'm gonna get ready for a trade here. Not even joking, guys. No joke, no troll. Risk is maybe with 1 micro. How about that? No, not here. Not here. Where is that? $186. Jesus is going down. All right. Entered to the trade. Not a good entry, but my entry is at I have 2 entries. Just a second. I made a mistake here. 186.25 should be okay. So I have 1 entry at 186.50. 186.50 is my entry. I have entered at 186.50. 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Now the stop loss would be 234. Stop loss 233 actually. Now I'm gonna put it down 230.50. 230.50, and final TP would be at 50. I'm gonna put it to 55. Down to, actually I'm gonna put it to 56.25. all right, so I'm gonna show it to you in a second. Here's my trade. Here's my trade. If it trades below 138, is this the 1 minute? Yes. If it trades below 138, then I might going to put it to break even. I don't know. At this trade, believe it or not, this trade is on a funded account currently. This is on a Apex funded account, which has started today with 51,277. So this trade has been made on a funded account. Could be interesting. We'll see. Fair value gap right there. I am going to count that. And let's see. Doesn't look good. I might have to close it. So the account you see currently is a funded account. Another eval. Thank you so much, Komodo Dragon. Thank you, thank you. Good luck with the trades. Good luck with the trades. Oh, okay. Don Tutton, I got the email. I'm on the thing. All right. That's all I needed. Thank you, thank you. All right. Okay. Okay. Okay, Don. It has been sent at this very second. If you're here in the chat, just saying it has been taken care of. Right in this second. All right, all right. Let's see if it goes down or not. Again, as I said, if it goes down below 137, 138, I might put it to break even. If not, I don't know. I'm gonna leave it as it is. I think we traded below, right? Yeah, we did. Okay, I am putting this to break even. Maybe it's a little bit early, but it's a free trade now. Might gonna take me out. Oh man, look at that. You know what? I don't care. I'm gonna... No, I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna leave it because if this was just a repricing here, poking into liquidity, then it could be just going straight up there again. So I feel safe with this. It's a funded account, so I don't want to mess it up too much. But if it would start to fall, that would be great. Got it. All right, Don, congratulations. Continued success in all, you too, man. All in your endeavors too. Oh, thank you. We have been blessed. You have been blessed too. And again, our sponsor today was Reza. So he's the one who we are thanking to. And congratulations, Don. God bless you. And, you know, I wish you success. And to everybody, of course. Tom just bought another second eval. Your ex-girlfriend is on fire. Let's go, Komodo. You know. Yeah, Rosa was the one. Rosa was the one. But stay tuned, Don. tomorrow we're gonna do one more. You might get lucky once more. If you win one more time, we're gonna have to ban you. You know, if you win one more time. I was just joking, of course. But stay tuned for tomorrow as well. All right. So far it's looking good. I like it. I like the way this looks like. Still thinking if I should trail it or not. It would be a shame not to lock in some profit, I think. All right. I couldn't hold it, guys. I'm sorry, but I was so unlucky yesterday. I needed to close it. It was only with one micro, guys. One single micro. I think I'm going to regret it, but look at this. Look at the balance. I made 277, 377, almost like I made $170 on a funded account. So for this account, it's okay. $170-ish. I don't even know is exact. It's more than enough for me. It's all right. So moving to the next one. I still think it's gonna go down. Look at this, it's going down. Oh my god. It was a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Final TP would be at 50, 54. My final TP was at 56 on Quant Tower. It was at 56. Yeah. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Yeah, it was a great trade. It was a great trade. I do feel a little bit of FOMO, but I'm not gonna get greedy. You know, that's why I said to you guys, you can make money with micros too, you know, playing it safe. Now the issue I'm having here is and the reason why I also closed it, because of this huge drop. I'm still expecting that the candle is gonna go higher, maybe reprice this area, and then it could be in some trouble. Why? Because this area here. So obviously it repriced this area, and who knows, maybe it wants to continue higher. I just wanted to make sure to have a good day. To have a good day on a funded account. After yesterday that I killed my account, I wanted to have a good trade on the funded. So that was the reason. So I'm done with this account for today. Secured 4.5k with Apex. Guys, I don't even have to do anything. Reza is killing the markets, not I am. 4.5k with Apex. Reza, come on. Congratulations, man. Awesome job. Awesome. But it's secure. Yeah. I mean, it started, you know, if it would have been taking the stairs, I don't know, but it started to drop so fast, I needed to secure it. I needed to, because if it drops so fast, we can also expect a huge bounce, and I got cold feet. I turned into a chicken, and I said, you know, 2R-ish is good for me. So my risk was about almost $90 on this. So almost like 2R trade is good. And there you go. Patience pays, right? And a little bit of FOMO. Well, it hits with us human beings. I made 1.1 profit, but I'm still mad at myself. Not. Yeah, so that's how it works. Like the mental thing of the whole situation, you know, the psychology. That could be interesting. Hold on, guys. Oh, sorry guys, I was just talking on the phone here real quick. Look at this. That's what I was a little bit afraid of. You know, if it drops here, we could have a bounce. Yeah, exactly. I'm not saying it's not gonna go to the TP. We have the VWAP down there. The VWAP, we have it. So it could still continue. It could be just repricing here, but if it starts to go straight up there, you know, I would have been a little bit mad at myself not to secure it. So I think I made the right choice. I had no reason to exit my short. I missed out a big. But still, hey, you made some profit online safety. That's all that matters. You know, that's all that matters. Actually, I closed because I wanted to bring the account back to break even. So I had a reason to exit. I see. My account was negative 10% today. Now it is almost break even. Steam. Stop trading. If you're at break even now after the drawdown, please take this advice, at least this one from me. Stop now with the stop. You know, if you want to continue to trade, just get a demo account or a sim account, whatever. But stop with that one. Be grateful that you managed to get back. Trust me, you're going to feel extremely better tomorrow. You're gonna thank me tomorrow. Just stop for the day. I know it's hard. I know. But abs welcome. Guys, there is something though. I wish I could stay or something, but unfortunately I received a message that I have to go run an errand in the city. I was expecting to meet with someone and I wasn't sure when he's going to be available. And unfortunately, I have to go to a meeting. I thought that I'm going to have to meet later, but I received a message that I have to go as soon as I can. So I'd like to stay with here, you guys, but you know what? Maybe I'll come back for a power hour. No promises there, but maybe a little bit of a scalping session on an evaluation account for a power hour if you guys would like to stick with me later. But I wanted to hold a longer stream, but I just received the message that I have to go meet with someone. So guys, thank you so much for being here. I might be back. Look at this. I think we made the right choice closing the trade. So thank you again. And you know, I'll be back worst case scenario tomorrow morning, maybe to the power hour today. And again, if you would like to support, please use my codes and links. You guys are awesome. Congratulations everybody for the profits, and the winner Don, congrats again. Thank you Reza for sponsoring this again. You're the man. Guys, I have to go, but I'll see you guys later. All right, worst case scenario in London session. So love you all, take care, be safe everybody, have a great day.